Hi there YouTube, welcome back to another 100 Days of Webflow series. Yes, you heard that right, I'm back to you again with another 100 Days of Webflow. I couldn't be more thrilled, I'm super excited, I hope you guys are excited as well. So both Webflow and I got a new facelift, as you can see, so we have a lot of updates and content to share with you. Before we jump in, just make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell so you get updated whenever a new video is released. Now we're gonna do something similar to last year where we release one video a day for 100 days. So first, let's start with an introduction. For those of you who are new here, I am Yar, I'm a Webflow enthusiast and a professional partner. I'm passionate about pushing the boundaries of what's possible on this amazing platform. I've taught Webflow to a lot of friends and family, and their encouragement is what got me here doing these educational videos for everyone. Now, last year's 100 Days of Webflow was an amazing experience. I've learned a lot and I've got to engage with amazing people from the audience, and I'm looking forward to doing this again together. While it was admittingly exhausting at the end, it was an amazing, rewarding journey that I really enjoyed. This time around, we're gonna make better content, improved videos, and a smoother journey for all of us. So what to expect out of these videos? Now in this new series, we're gonna feature 100 videos, again like last year, with one video a day. Here are some key expectations or key changes that we're gonna introduce this time. Number one, we're going to revisit and update some of the most popular content from last year. Number two is that we're gonna go over the Webflow UI and see how we can replace some of those custom code solutions that we used to rely on before with Webflow's native features that has been released since last year. And there has been a lot of changes since then. Number three, these videos are going to be better structured and easier to follow thanks to all your valuable feedback. Now I know I've taken all your comments and suggestions into account. I know I can move the mouse way too fast at times. I can click on things rapidly, and this makes it hard to follow the video or to understand what's going on. So I'm making a conscious effort this time to make sure that I slow down and explain myself clearly, make sure that these videos are comprehensible. Thank you for all the valuable feedback. Your support means everything, and the more you engage with me on these videos, the better content I can create for you. Goals and objectives. Our goals for this challenge is straightforward. Number one is that we want to elevate our Webflow skills to new heights. Number two is that we want to introduce more efficient methods and better ways of doing things. Stay connected to keep up with all the action. First, subscribe to this channel, turn on that notification bell. Second, connect with me on LinkedIn so that you can see the updates about these videos where I'll be posting daily over there. Third, subscribe to the newsletter where I'll be sharing exclusive stuff for newsletter subscribers. Now, this is a new thing that I'm starting out, so it might not be as consistent as the videos. However, I'll be sharing stuff that are very exclusive to newsletter subscribers. So if you're on the list, you'll get access to those. I'm very excited to be starting this journey with you all. We're gonna learn, we're gonna grow, we're gonna push the boundaries of what's possible with Webflow. If you're a beginner or you're an experienced Webflow developer, there is something here for everybody. Are you ready to start this 100 days of Webflow with me again? I am very much ready, I'm very much excited. And by the way, do like this video, leave a comment if there is a topic that you would like me to tackle or something that I can squeeze in with one of the videos that I'll be making, or perhaps if it's something in demand, we'll make a video specifically for that. However, I would love to hear from you. I would love to know what you guys are interested in learning. So feel free to engage, feel free to write to me, and I'm all ears for you guys. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. Let's go.